Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools here on Instagram automation called ManyChats. Now, whether you're a business owner, influencer, or just someone looking to grow your Instagram presence, this tool right here has game-changing features that you need to know about. Now you want to stick around because I'm going to describe to you what this tool is all about. And so first things first, let's go ahead and describe the overview of this tool right here. What does it do and more. Now, before we get started, the links for the mentioned tools and softwares are in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, ManyChat is basically a chatbot and a marketing automation platform that integrates with your social media platforms like the Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and of course, Instagram. But for Instagram specifically, now it helps you automate customers' interactions, streamline responses, and even drive sales directly through your DMs. Think of it as a 24/7 virtual assistant that never sleeps, answering FAQs or frequently asked questions, collecting leads, and even running contests. And so, let's go ahead and talk about one of the best features that this tool has to offer. Now, of course, first things first, it has the automated replies. Now, if you got too many DMs or messages to handle, ManyChats lets you set up the automated responses for common queries like what's your pricing or where you are located. You can go ahead and see that right here as an example. They could just go ahead and click on one of the automated message and this tool right here will do the rest. Now, one of the next features is the comment to DM automation. You can go ahead and run promotions or contests by asking users to comment on your post. ManyChat automatically sends a DM to anyone who comments. For example, if you want to go ahead and comment win below to enter, and ManyChat will basically DM the person that commented on your post saying thanks for answering and here's the next step. And so the next feature is going to be the lead generation flows. You can create a conversation flow that collect user details like email address or phone number directly in Instagram DMs. Now it is perfect for growing your email list. And lastly, one of the best features that I love about this tool right here is the in-app sales. You can go ahead and integrate ManyChat with your store to let users browse and buy products straight from the DMs on Instagram. You can even showcase your product catalog directly within the chat. So now that you know how powerful this tool is, now basically let's get started. You simply want to head over to the official website, which is manychat.com/product/Instagram. And from here, you can then go ahead and see this button called Get Started. You can simply go ahead and click on it, and from here, it will then go ahead and take us to the authentication page. We can then go ahead and log in our account using Google or Facebook. And in here, it will then go ahead and ask you to verify your email address. So you simply want to go ahead and enter it inside. And right after that, it will then go ahead and ask you these questions. What type of company do you work for? You can just go ahead and click on this drop down menu. And from here, you have options like business, marketing agency, freelancer, and others. In my case, I'll just go ahead and choose business, and right after that, it will then go ahead and have this follow-up questions. From there, you want to go ahead and click on next, and right after, it will then go ahead and ask us on where we want this tool to be integrated with. Of course, in our case, let's go ahead and click on Instagram. From here, you want to go ahead and click on Instagram to go ahead and connect to your Instagram account. Right after logging in your account from Instagram, you can then go ahead and see this option right here where you can go ahead and activate the pro trial, or you can just go start with the free trial. In my case, I'll start with the free trial right here. And right after that, we have successfully connected our accounts on Instagram. So you basically want to go ahead and click on get started. Inside, we now have our dashboard right here where you can go ahead and click on home, your contacts, automation, live chat, and lastly settings. Now to get started, you want to navigate through automation, and from here you want to click on the new automation button. Now automations are where you create chat automations in an easy and visual format. So you want to go ahead and click on it. And from here, we have some templates that we can choose from. You have the auto DM link from comments, automate conversations with AI, and more. You can just go ahead and choose one of the templates right here that you want. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on one of the recommended ones, which is the auto DM links from comments. Send a link when people comment on a post or reel. So let's just go ahead and click on it. So in here, you can just go ahead and choose one of your posts. In my case, I'll click on this one. Or to go ahead and view all of your Instagram posts, you want to click on the view all option. And right after that, we can then go ahead and navigate through this section right here where we can add specific words where the AI could detect. So let's just go ahead and say that I am starting a giveaway event, and when someone comments something like pop on the comment section for this specific post, they will go ahead and get the necessary steps in order to basically get to my giveaway event. From here, you can then go ahead and click on next, or if you want to, you can click on any word, meaning if someone basically comments on your comment section, they will go ahead and receive your DM. And so right after that, we can now go ahead and navigate through the last option on where we can edit this DM or automated DM right here. So as a default, we have this DM, but of course you can just edit this the way you want to. And from there, they will have the option to click this button. From here, you can just go ahead and click on next, and you will be able to activate this feature on your Instagram account. Now, this is really a big deal because Instagram is no longer just a social media platform. It's a business tool, and speed matters. Studies show that 50% of customers expect businesses to reply within an hour. ManyChat not only speeds up the process times, but also creates seamless experiences that drive engagement and sale. Plus, Instagram's algorithm favors accounts with high interaction rates. So, using automation tools like ManyChats can actually boost your visibility and growth. It's like hacking the algorithm the smart way. Now, that is only one of the automations this tool has to offer. If you go ahead and click on new automation, you can just go ahead and set up any automation the way you want to. So as an example, if you want to get or grow your YouTube, you can just go ahead and click on get YouTube subscribers via Instagram DMs. What this automation will do is that they will spread your YouTube channel through Instagram DMs. You can just go ahead and choose the type of automation you want for your business. From here, we have tools like live chat, contacts, and more. You can basically just explore this the way you want to. But one of the main focus for ManyChat is the automation features like here. Now we have basic automations, we have sequences, and every tool that we need in order to grow our Instagram page or business. And so there you have it. ManyChat's Instagram features in a nutshell. Whether you want to save time, grow your audience, or boost sales, ManyChat is a tool worth exploring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.